How to delete all Facebook photos at once. So to delete all Facebook photos, first open up your Facebook application and make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, tap on the upper right corner which has the three barred icon, and then tap on your profile. And after opening your profile, tap on the three dots which is right beside your profile. And now tap on activity log, and here tap on public posts. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now on the upper left corner right below the archive, you will have filters option. Tap on filters and then tap on categories, and now choose photos and videos. Now Facebook will show all of your posts and videos that you have on your Facebook profile. So if you want to delete all at once, then you can simply tap on all. But if you want to remove one by one, then you can tap on the photo, and then you can tap on the three dots icon which is right beside that, and you can tap on delete. But if you want to delete all of that at once, then you can tap on all, you can tap on trash, and you can tap on continue so that your all post will be deleted at once. So that's it, that's how you delete it. But for now I will not delete all of my post, but if you want to delete, you can tap on continue. And that's it, that's how you delete all Facebook posts at once. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.